Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas video again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and daily because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will solve your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals. Today we kill it, we give 2 signals and both of them we earn from them. So even you can benefiting from that for day trading. You can join us in Telegram and Discord. And by the way, remember that Telegram and Discord, it's only for 1,000 people. After that, we'll close free members. So benefit from that very quickly. You can join us now before it's too late, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the weekly candle here it's finished. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain to you what happened there. As you see it, what it gave us here, which is that one here, that red candle here. It gave us here a pin bar in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. As you see it, we came here. It gave us another pin bar here. Last week it gave us that green one here. Now it gave us here a red one. Shall we be worried, guys? Till the moment there is nothing will make you to be worried here. Because if you remember what else we said here, we got that mega fall like that. As you see it here in the weekly. Channel, it hasn't getting broke up, so there is nothing. It hasn't getting broke down. Another thing very important here in the weekly, what me I told you before here. You remember what else we said here? We got the down channel here, and the down channel is getting broke here, as you see it. Now, either we're going to fall down to touch the top of that channel here, then from there we're going to go up more higher, because that's possible. But till now, everything's still looking great, guys. Another thing very important here, because us now we are in the weekly. People they been with us from the start of that channel. We show you before here a wake off pattern like that and like that. You see it or not that the fake out where us we buy from 15k. Then it happened like that. Now for us to complete that, it's need to break that last high which is here, and Son is going to break it, guys. Son is going to break it. Even if you see the Bitcoin it fall down, try to buy. By the way, if you are even a long-term investor, we given free signals in our Discord and in our Telegram, because also we are not just giving for day trading, we even given for long-term investors when is it the right time for you to buy. So now what should you do? At this time you need to wait. There is a correction going to come till where no one know what is going to come. So now here in the weekly, what should we do? We need to wait in that correction to finish, then from there also we're going to enter. If it's breaking higher here, that's another story. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here it is, that the coming news for all the week, guys. As you see, in Monday we don't got nothing special. The week by news is going to start in Tuesday. In Tuesday, what we got? We got the CPI or inflation data of Germany. Then we got that one year short-term energy outlook for USA, and that one very important for the inflation in America. Then in Wednesday, what we got? A special day in Wednesday. A very special day in Wednesday. You need to be careful, guys. Very much from Wednesday. What we got in Wednesday? We got that one. The CPI of USA or inflation data of America. So guys, in Wednesday, we are not going to open any trade. I'm not going to give any signal to enter day trading. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Then in Thursday, what we got? We got the GDP of UK, initial jobless claim of USA, and we got that PPI for USA. So I think picture is too clear. That's what we got that week. And here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every every day. As you see it, all the market it started red. As you see, everything is blood here. All US stocks, they are blood here. Should we be worried? Should we be scared? By the way, for the SP 500 people, they follow me. It's not yet to buy. It's still market falling. And when is it the right time? I'm going to tell it to you, because now the market it gives us a very clear divergence plus a double top. So that indicating there is the correction going to come. When we are in the bottom, we're going to buy. Not for the buy. And here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, currency is going up a little bit. Because we are 14. That means people, they are scared a little bit from inflation, from the Fed. They are going to increase more interest rate. But everything's still looking great. US dollar, as you see, it started the week green. But we need to wait in Monday candle how it's going to finish. So everything's still looking great here. Now let's go into the daily for long-term investment. So let's go in there to see what Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there, guys. In the daily, same thing, nothing was changed. As you see, the daily candle here, it's finished. It gave us two red candles here. And here, look at it, that double top, me I told you before. You can find it that 2 videos ago. We show it to you here. We told you for Australian short, it's need the Bitcoin to break that double top here. And I told you if it fall down, it's going to fall down just to here, between 28k till 27k. That's what me I told you. But till now, as we stay stuck here, and I'll show you even here now, you got a very clear flag. I show it to you even in the last video. I told you we got here a very clear flag like that. Even that one is a continuation pattern, is a very bullish pattern. But if it's getting broke up here, because till now we got 2 patterns here. We got the double top or M, and we got that flag. If it flag is getting broke here, that's when the market is going to continue it upward. If it's getting broke down, it's going to fall down, and I'll show you exactly to where. And I'll talk with you even here about that inside bar, that one here. Till now we haven't break it down or up. So till now everything's still looking the same. Nothing was changed. Maybe you're going to see a small correction or something to make people to be scared to start selling now, because Bitcoin is very close to make a big jump. So then they are going to make it to fall down to that level here. And also from that level here, we're going to buy some Bitcoin. As every time I've been teaching you, when it's going to fall down here, we're going to buy some Bitcoin. Then we're going to ride all the jump to 100k, guys. It's going to go more than 100k, but also we're going to ride it till the top. In the top, I'm going to tell it to you, because there is no one in the web. Me, I am here in the web. I watch all the videos of others, competitors of me. No one tell you to buy Bitcoin from 15k. Also, we are the only channel the day of FTX collapse. You can find the video here, the day of FTX collapse. Also, we are the only channel in YouTube. We told you to buy from the low of the FTX collapse. When the daily candle of FTX collapse close us, we are the only channel we buy from there. You can ask people they've been with us from that day till now. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. For swing trading, I tell it to you, you got here that channel here, or that distribution level, that one. It's need the market either to come a candle and to close below that level, or that level here. For short term, you got something here. Let me zoom it a little bit to show it to you. Look here with me what you got here in that level here. You got a very clear double top here, but the neckline, it hasn't getting broke. Also, we've been scalped all the day here, yesterday and today. Today we make nice profit from it. Just now before I came to register that video, it's hitting for us the first target. Even you can benefit from all those signals free, and I tell it to you is only for a certain number. By the way, that one maybe is going to fall down, maybe not. But that one is for the short term. For swing trading, it's need either to break down here or up here. That's it. If it doesn't get broke down here, there is no entry short. If it doesn't break up here, there is no entry long here. So for swing trading, there is nothing yet. Just need to wait more. Another thing very important here, let me show it to you. If you see here, look with me here what you got. The market, he tried to give you here a very clear head and shoulder, but everything is going to be based on that level down here. If it's getting broke here, maybe the market is going to fall down. Me, I don't draw on top of it for pictures to get more clear to you. So as you see it, everything is in front of you. Till now there is nothing, guys. You need to wait a little bit. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, it came back again to the place where is the bears they controlling. Yes, the bears, they don't got power those days, but there is bears now, not like before we used to be all in the bulls. And now also we got that downtrend here. Till now we got We haven't break it above, so there is nothing new. And me, I tell it to you when we used to be here at the overbought area. I told you it's going to go till it will touch here the oversold area. Then from there, also we're going to looking for buy until now it's showing to us it's going down. Yes, there is no power. There is no one is selling now. And if you watch yesterday on-chain data where we analyze for you, you're going to know everyone is buying now because people, they know long-term investors, they know what they're doing. They know it very close to a big jump. That's why majority of people they buying. And me, I'm still waiting the correction here. Then also we're going to buy again. So now even if we are here down, where is the bears they controlling? There is nothing yet for you to enter short for swing trading. Me, I'm talking here. It's need to break for us that channel also we're talking about. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, it's very close to enter to the oversold area, but till now it hasn't breaking for us that price action here, and that's what it's telling us. There is no power to push down, so it's need to break here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, guys. So till now we need to wait. But if you enter short only to here, remember that peak here, I tell it to you between 28k till 27k. From there also we're going to buy a little bit of Bitcoin, but for long term, for swing trading, we need to wait in a price action to tell us you need to buy. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. Us today here, we've been killing it. Yesterday, I gave you a signal here, that one here, when it's breaking here. The first take profit, it was here, in that peak here, that one. Let's bring it exactly that one here. Then we enter a short from here. Why I enter that short? Because we used to have here a cup and handle, as you see, very clear cup and handle. It came, it bring for us the first target here. Then me I said close it, we close it. Then we used to have here, that one here, look with me how I'm going to draw it. That one here, that triangle here. As you see it, that candle here, it closed below it. Also we enter short from here. Then that one, we said the first target was here in that peak here, that one. As you see it, it's bring it exactly that one here. Then the market it's showing is going to reverse now. Because we don't care about those things. Me, when it touch the first target here, I tell people they follow me. Protect yourself by either to move stop loss, to break even, or to take some of the profit, or to close it. Because you make nice profit till now. Now here, what is it the price action we got here? Look with me here. If you're looking with me here, here, and here, and here. What we got, guys? And down here. We got a very clear double top here. And that one, the double top me I just show you in 4 hours. If it's breaking down here, also we're going to enter short, guys. Remember that. Also, if it's breaking down here, also we're going to enter short again. Not for the short, for the long. Did we got something here? Yes, we got. Let me show it to you. If you came here to those peaks, those ones like that, and you connect in that one with that one and that one, you got something in the top. For down, what you got here now. You can make it like that. You came from that one and you make it like that, like a triangle here, very clear triangle. Or you can even make it from down. Let me show it to you like that. Now if you came here to that one here like that, and down here to that one like that, what you got here? You got a very clear wage. That one, if it's getting blocked above here, also we're going to enter long. If it's getting blocked down here, also we're going to enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it's entered here to the oversold area level. Also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, that the 4th time also we being touched. We touch it here the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, that the 5th time. Should we enter long? No, we need a price action here telling us also we need to enter long, guys. For us to enter long, it's need to come back to break till the top here, and that one is still far away from it. So we need another price action here for us to enter long. Till now there is nothing, so we need to wait more, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.